Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have kind of like a trial run through for my graduation makeup. We're going to leave the hair, it's a bit of a ratty mess because that's out of my hands for graduation. I'm just going to get my mum to curl it and sort it for me, but yeah, I'm just going to go for something, I don't know, a bit bronze and a bit Kim Kardashian-esque is what I have in my mind at the moment. But yeah, so I'm just going to be running through my ideas and just gonna give it a bit of a play really, and we'll just see what happens. So if that interests you, then just keep on watching. Gotta get that headband on. Can't deal with my hair and my face. So first off, right, because I'm quite prone to having like oily skin, as you can probably see by now, my skin is just a bit of a oil slick. I'm just gonna try out this Primer Plus Mattifier from Bobbi Brown. I've just got it in a little sample size here, and I'm just gonna put that where I would normally put my baby skin. So it's not really doing anything to my skin right now, but we shall see what happens. And then I'm just gonna go in with some Airspun translucent powder to just set that like I normally would. The primer smells nice though. It may not mattify straight away, but it definitely smells nice. Right, so I'm quite liking how that looks, and I'm just gonna go in with my P. Louise face all over my lid. Right, so I kind of know what sort of vibe I want to go with, so I'm gonna take the shade Hooter, I think it is, which is this one here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and pack it all over my lid. And then with the whatever's left off the brush, I'm just kind of blending that out into the crease area, just so we don't have any harshness. And then to blend that out just a little bit more, I am taking the shade Cocoa Bear, which is this brown here, and that is from Makeup Geek. We're just kind of blending that out and deepening it just a little bit more. So this is what we got at the moment, and I think I'm going to deepen it slightly with Prophecy here from the Kaylee and SOSU palette. I'm not going to go too heavy, just a little bit. Just trying to keep the lid space really light to make my eyes look bigger. If you wanted to, you could even do all of this outer edge and and crease blending first, and then put on a kind of cream shadow in on the lid. So to be honest, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna put some highlighter on my brow bone. For that highlighter, I am just taking the Kiko Wet and Dry eyeshadow in the shade 208. You guys know by now that it's literally one of my favourites. It's like one of the best summer highlighters for me because of it's so golden. So I'm just going to do some liner, and for that I'm going in with the Eye Studio Lash and Gel Drama by Maybelline, and I'm just going to do a line, no wing, just a line, and then kind of smudge it out. And so we're kind of left with something along the lines of this really. I tried to wing out the blended bit a little bit just to give my eye a little bit more shape and lift it on the edge. But yeah, so I'll just go and do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so foundation wise, I'm going to try out this Bobbie Brown Matte foundation, which is the Skin Longwear, I think, in Warm Natural. I've just got a little pot, so that's kind of the colour I am, but I also think that's going to be a bit too light. Yeah, that's way too light for me. Now, maybe not. Right, mix it in with a bit of my Sheer Glow. Okay, maybe not. We're going to go in with Nars Sheer Glow instead. This is my Ride or Die Summer Foundation. I love it. And I'm just going to dot a few spots around my face and then just blend it in. I'm actually just going to try a little bit of the Bobbi Brown in the centre of my face, and we'll kind of see how that goes, I guess, maybe. No idea how I'm going to do this. I don't know if that did anything, but oh well. I'm just going to go with a bit of cream contour, and I'm going with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Expresso. Yeah, and I'm going to try and blend that out with this blunt canvas brush. Oh yes, that looks good. I like that. Just gonna bounce over all of that with my sponge and then go in with some concealer. Right, okay, so I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm not gonna use that much because it's quite light on me. So I'm going to try and be a little bit reserved. Blend out all the face bits with my foundation brush. And then I'm using this double-ended Urban Decay brush that I'm going to use this side to just start moving this product out. So I'm just bounce that out with my sponge as well. Trying to ignore my system saying nonsense in the background. Oh, that's a bit bright. Is that maybe, is that just like in your face? Right, before I go in and bake it, I'm just gonna first press some powder in using a brush. And then I'm gonna go in and bake, kind of. And then I'm gonna clean up this contour situation. Contoury bronze situation with some powder. Yeah, and then dust away all of this. For highlighter, I think I'm going to go in with the NYX Strobe of Genius palette. I'm just going to take this shade, mix with this shade. And then I'm going to put some Kiko on as well. Just pile it all on. Then just a little bit above the brows. Just the bake off. And then if that bronze wasn't enough, I'm going to go in with some NYX bronzer out of their contour and highlight palette. Just to warm my face. Not like it needs any more, but oh well. The point of this look is to be bronzed and drag it down all over the décolletage. I think that's what it's called. And then for blush, we'll go with something it's a little bit pinky, I think. So I'm just gonna go do my brows and my lashes off camera, and then I will be right back. So this is the situation so far. I put on the Ardell 250 lashes. They're like so fluttery, and it kind of looks like you've already gone and got Russians done. So now all there is left to do is some mascara and some lips. So I'm just going to take my Volume Stylist Essence Mascara, my Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. I think I'm just going to go in with Twig from MAC, just this lovely pinky colour. Yeah, cool. So that's the finished look. I will sort my hair out, spray my face, and I'll be right with you. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm actually obsessed with it. I think that it just looks so kind of just how I wanted it. Normally when I try and do something like this, it kind of goes a bit like wrong and a bit like ugh. I am having second guesses about the lip. I have to admit. I think I'm gonna go maybe with this Bobbi Brown shade, this True Brown, Brown number 4 it's called, instead, just because I think it would suit the look a lot better. But overall, I like how my skin looks, I like how my eyes look, I like how simple it is, and I like how fluttery and the lashes are and all of that, and how it's not just too dramatic. I'm not gonna look back at it thinking, Priya, God forbid, why the hell did you do that, you know? Anyway, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I wasn't really kind of teaching or talking through, I was just kind of trying to get my own bearing, see what I wanted to do. But yeah, this is the finished look. I will be sure to vlog my graduation when it comes to it, if you're interested. But yeah, that's all for today. But yeah, that's it for today. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!